Prior to C#6, it was not possible to call async operations in catch and finally blocks by specifying the await keyword due to implementation specifics in the C# compiler. So now in C#6, we can finally implement asynchronous operations in our catch and finally blocks. So in this lecture, we are just going to demonstrate how you can implement those inside of a try catch. Now we're still going to get errors inside of this, but I'm going to go ahead and implement it just to show you the syntax. So we're going to go right here and let's type try. And then we'll go down here and we'll put catch. We're going to put parentheses there. And then what we're going to put right here is a finally. And now inside of those, let's go ahead and minimize this. And you'll typically put an exception right here. And then we'll go from that and we'll log that. So now you can come inside of your try catch, implement some logic you're trying to write out to the console or implement in your application logic. You can associate an await clause and then put whatever service or logic you want to await. Then you'll come down here and typically task whatever you want inside of your catch block. And then you can come down into your finally block and associate what you want to put inside of here. So we'll go here. And now we can actually implement, like I said, we're still going to get some errors here. But in this case, we can actually implement whatever logic we want instead of our try, catch, and finally methods implementing the await clause. Typically before, you could not have the await. You had to come in here and put whatever services that had to run synchronously, and you couldn't task it. But now with C#6, you can associate await clause for whatever task or service you're trying to run inside of your application. I did not demonstrate this in full and we're still getting an error, but I just wanted to show you that now inside of your try, your catch block, and your finally block, you can implement asynchronous tasks to associate inside of your application. This is a great new feature in C#6. I just want to demonstrate that this is the syntax to associate with it. I want to thank you for joining me in this lecture. Have a nice day.